Step one of initial setup is to go into the wrench, initial setup, configuration, come down to factory reset, hit the factory reset button. Once the factory reset has completed and the system boots back up, it will bring you back to the home screen. From here, we will go into the wrench, initial setup, configuration. Then we will look, verify task control mode set to ISO, fluid control mode synchro, product mode single, master switch source is external, boom switch source is none, master switch input is 12 volts, VT update rate is 100 milliseconds, display smoothing will be enabled. Enter in the nozzle spacing that is on your machine. You may have a 15-inch or 20-inch machine. Then we come down here and we verify the total number of nozzles here matches the total number of nozzles installed on the machine. If these two numbers match, then we can proceed forward with the setup. If the total number of nozzles here detected does not match what is installed on the machine, then we need to go to the home screen, enable the key fob, get out your key fob device, your phone or the physical key fob handheld device, and scroll through the nozzles and figure out which nozzle is not activating or nozzles, and then plug those up or repair those nozzles before moving forward. Once you get those nozzles into the system, then you will have to power this down and power this back up. You can do that by going to wrench, initial setup, configuration, software restart. Now the nozzles have been repaired and you should have the total number of nozzles correctly detected in here now. Once that total number of nozzles matches the correct number of nozzles on the machine, we can move forward to maximum task control sections. So maximum task control sections should be set to typically the number of total nozzles on the machine. However, if you're operating a task controller like a John Deere 2630 that's only capable of 13 sections, you would set this maximum task control sections to 13. This would tell the system to only divide all the nozzles on the boom into 13 sections to be compatible with that 2630. Most of the common controllers today are capable of doing individual nozzle control on all of the boom configurations. So typically this will be set to the total number of nozzles. If you have multiple VTs, select the VT that you would like to be pulled up on. You select the task controller that you would like to use. Typically the default values are okay there. Make sure fill station is disabled, and then the language and units will pull from the VT, so those actually do not have to be set up. That will end step one of our initial setup.